Okay, let's do a quick video before I go to class. Okay, so we will just go to, now I need to set this main dot go up. And I basically need to protect the middleware function. So auth validate, no, middleware, token middleware, and yeah, this should work, right? Is this the same main? So we should have access to it. Oh, we should call it. Right? No. Because does it take... Oh, it does take that. That makes sense. Wait, so how does he use it then? I'm curious on how to make the make file. Or not the make thing. Make... what is it called? Oh, wait, he makes it as a part of the thing. That makes more sense. Okay, let's do that. Now, instead, it's part of the app administrator. So we can... so we'll do a app dot this. Yeah. There you go. So when we use it, it'll prevent us from accessing, like... Let's try, actually. Let's make a GET request to... log in. But yeah. No, I don't want to remove this. What the hell? So we have this new request. Okay, yeah. Okay, now there you go. That's how I want it. So now let's try to make a... Why is this a GET request? What the fuck is wrong with this page? This should not be a... Yeah, this should be a post request. Let's make it... Yeah, something went wrong. Yeah. Okay, I don't know why it's like that, but anyways. Let's make a GET request to images. I believe it should prevent us from doing that, right? Oh, it does work? Okay. Well, that actually makes sense a little bit. Wait, I forgot to put an error here. No valid token. Status malform status unauthorized. I guess that's fine. Okay, let's try now. Not a post request, but a GET request to images. Yeah, there you go. That's perfect. So it's just basically add any one of those like stuff like this too. So that's really nice. Okay. Okay, so that's that. Now I should set up login. So let's do register user handler. Let's do another one. Let's just set it up. I gotta go to class soon, so log user. So we take obviously an HTTP response writer with an HTTP HTTP dot, or is of course pointed to HTTP dot request. Okay, so HTTP response writer, HTTP request. Okay, so wait, is this wrong? It's not auth, it's app. So login a user should be the same as registering a user, but we'll call our auth related stuff here, right? Oh my god, not this one. Auth.go here. We have our, we have all this stuff. Okay, so main.go. Actually, let's do auth.go. Okay, now, so essentially, take a user payload. So they should just only do username and password. That's all we need to do for that. Payload, what it should look like. Well, that's making it login. So let's do. Is there another one? Yes, there's that exactly what I needed to do. So we'll do that. Var user login. User login payload. Perfect. So now we'll then obviously do that boilerplate stuff, the code, error, something went wrong. We'll just take mostly everything here. Okay, so then we change this to decoder. Oh yes, something went wrong. And then instead of, okay, so now instead of register user, we do log in user, which returns us a potential error. Actually, I don't know if this login user is fully, it's not fully done. We'll do that tomorrow then. I'm gonna set up the boilerplate. It should technically return 3 things. We'll fix that later. And then user payload, we'll do log user login payload. And then this is just do this here, and then we need to fix the implementation for login user. So login user should return actually 3 things, or actually at least 1, which is the storage session. So let's do that. So it's more complicated because we return an old one if they're already logged in. Otherwise, that's besides the point. But anyways, that's enough for today. See you guys tomorrow.